times P. Now we can get the standard deviation. This is going to be roughly 11 point something. Can somebody help me out? 11 point. I have no idea. That's as far as I got. That's pretty good. What is it? Sorry. 1.8. Oh, okay, I like it. So if I take 2 steps up and 2 steps down, I can see where it officially starts to get unusual. So if I do the 250 right here, it's going to feel very familiar. And then I go 2 steps up, so 22.36. That would be 272.36. So I did 2 of these, 22.36, and I added it. And if I go down 2 steps, oh shit, Jeff, what's that going to be? 228.64, I think. 227.64?
227.
Okay. So if I flip the coin 500 times and I got 280 heads, that is officially evidence that something's wrong with that coin. It is unusual. Do you guys see what I'm saying? You can never outright prove something by doing a sample, but you can show evidence that something's wrong or something's different. Okay, now that's enough. So now you guys go ahead and do that side. It's all about people who smoke, I think. Yeah. Just to be out front with you guys, I think that study I'm citing is about 5 years old by now, but I keep forgetting to update the percentage, but oh well.